The Brooder EXP7 sets a new benchmark for expedition campers by combining unstoppable off-road performance with luxurious living spaces. Built for serious outdoor enthusiasts, its advanced suspension system and durable yet lightweight design tackle the toughest terrain with ease. The interior surprises with upscale comforts including a chef-ready kitchen, temperature-controlled living area, and premium sleeping accommodations. Engineered for complete self-sufficiency, it features robust off-grid capabilities and smart storage throughout. More than just a rugged trailer, the EXP7 serves as a fully equipped mobile base camp that delivers hotel-quality amenities in the most isolated wilderness settings. This innovative camper demonstrates that extreme adventure no longer means roughing it, offering explorers the perfect balance of hardcore capability and refined comfort to reach places others can't while enjoying the conveniences of home. The RC Motorhomes RC12M redefines luxury travel with its 12-meter design built for comfort and adventure. This premium motorhome combines elegant craftsmanship with modern technology, featuring high-end finishes throughout its spacious interior. The well-appointed living space includes a fully equipped kitchen, generous bedroom with king-size bed, and a lavish bathroom complete with walk-in shower. Designed for performance, it delivers powerful yet smooth driving dynamics perfect for long journeys. Every element, from the premium materials to the advanced entertainment systems, has been carefully considered to create the ultimate mobile living experience. Whether for weekend getaways or full-time residents, the RC12M offers unparalleled comfort and style on the road. The Vario Signature 1200 represents the ultimate in luxury motorhome living, blending innovative design with premium functionality. This 12-meter marvel features a powerful yet refined drivetrain that delivers exceptional road performance. Inside, you'll discover a meticulously crafted interior with high-quality materials throughout its generous living spaces. The layout includes a gourmet kitchen with premium appliances, a lavish bedroom featuring a king-size bed, and a spa-like bathroom complete with walk-in shower and dual sinks. Smart storage solutions and cutting-edge entertainment systems enhance the experience, while thoughtful details elevate every aspect of on-road living. Perfect for extended adventures or full-time residence, this motorhome sets new standards for comfort and sophistication in mobile living.
The THOR Vision vehicle is a futuristic RV concept that transforms life on the road with its sleek design and advanced technology. Equipped with augmented reality displays, AI-powered sensors, and biometric monitoring, it prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. This mobile home anticipates your needs, tracks your health, and adjusts your surroundings with smart climate control, self-repairing interiors, and tailored entertainment. Its roomy interior and innovative design make it the perfect adventure companion, redefining travel and raising the bar in the recreational vehicle industry. The THOR Vision vehicle blends luxury with functionality, offering a seamless and intelligent experience for modern explorers.
The Space Bus is a next-gen cosmic ride loaded with insane tech. Think life support, artificial gravity, and massive windows to soak in the stars. Inside, it's all luxury, sleek living pods, a high-tech NAV system, and killer entertainment. Built for deep space, its powerful engines handle intergalactic trips like a breeze. Check out the zero-gravity chill zone and the futuristic control deck. Every inch screams cutting-edge design. This isn't just a spacecraft. It's a full-blown cosmic experience. Strap in and get ready to cruise the universe in ultimate style. This $2.5 million RV redefines luxury travel with flawless craftsmanship and top-tier engineering. Every inch, from its aerodynamic exterior to the lavish interior, exudes sophistication. Inside, you'll find expansive living spaces, a chef-grade kitchen, and premium finishes that elevate comfort to new heights. Built for performance, it boasts a robust engine, refined handling, and smart design for seamless journeys. Whether it's the attention to detail or the high-tech amenities, this rolling palace sets a new standard for mobile living. Take a closer look at what makes this RV an unmatched blend of innovation and extravagance. The Maxis V90 Villa Edition redefines luxury RV living with its impeccable craftsmanship and premium amenities. This mobile masterpiece boasts a lavish interior featuring high-quality materials, smart technology, and elegant finishes throughout. The spacious layout includes a comfortable lounge area, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, and a luxurious bedroom, transforming every journey into a first-class experience. With attention to detail evident in every element, from the sophisticated wood accents to the advanced entertainment systems, this vehicle offers unparalleled comfort on the road. Discover the perfect blend of high-end design and practical functionality that makes this RV a true rolling residence. The Living Vehicle HD30 redefines off-grid luxury with its self-sufficient design and premium amenities. This high-performance travel trailer combines rugged durability with elegant living spaces, featuring a complete kitchen, comfortable bedroom, modern bathroom, and functional living area, all optimized for space and comfort. Built for remote exploration, it integrates a robust solar power setup, smart energy management, and efficient water systems to enable extended stays anywhere. The HD30's tough exterior withstands challenging terrain, while its refined interior offers surprising comfort with high-end finishes and intelligent storage solutions. Whether you're chasing adventure or embracing mobile living, this innovative trailer delivers uncompromising freedom with all the comforts of home in a compact, eco-friendly package. The Retreat ERV Hyper revolutionizes RV travel with its fully electric, off-grid capable design. This premium electric vehicle combines sustainable technology with luxurious living spaces, featuring high-efficiency solar panels and large-capacity batteries for extended remote adventures. The interior showcases contemporary design with high-end finishes, including a gourmet kitchen, spa-like bathroom, and comfortable living quarters, all controllable through intuitive smart home systems. Built to explore, its durable exterior handles various terrains while maintaining a sleek, modern aesthetic. Perfect for environmentally conscious adventurers, the ERV Hyper delivers zero-emission travel without compromising on comfort or style, offering a new standard in eco-friendly mobile living. The Hymer Vision Venture revolutionizes mobile living with its futuristic design and cutting-edge features. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter platform, this concept camper combines sleek aerodynamics with intelligent space optimization. The interior showcases innovative 3D printed elements, adaptive lighting, and a versatile layout featuring a complete kitchen and convertible lounge. Its standout feature is an inflatable rooftop bedroom offering 360-degree views. Designed for sustainable travel, it incorporates solar power and off-grid capabilities while maintaining premium comfort. This forward-thinking vehicle represents the next evolution in camper vans, where smart technology, eco-conscious engineering, and luxurious living spaces converge to create the ultimate travel experience. XRV Adventures unlocks the ultimate off-road experiences for adventurers chasing the road less traveled. We transform rugged exploration into comfortable journeys with our purpose-built expedition vehicles, engineered for extended off-grid travel. Whether you're scaling mountain passes, crossing desert dunes, or forging through wilderness trails, our expert-guided expeditions deliver both adrenaline and security. Our customized rigs come fully equipped to handle Earth's most challenging terrains while maintaining essential comforts. For explorers who demand more than ordinary trips, we create extraordinary adventures that test limits and redefine boundaries. With XRV, you don't just travel. You embark on life-changing expeditions where every mile tells a story of discovery and conquest. The Starliner SL25 motorhome elevates mobile living to new heights with its perfect fusion of high-tech innovation and refined luxury. This engineering marvel combines a wind-cheating exterior with an interior that redefines RV comfort, featuring a gourmet kitchen, spa-like bathroom, and plush sleeping quarters, all seamlessly controlled through smart automation. Its intelligent systems precisely manage temperature, lighting, and entertainment, while solar integration ensures sustainable independence. Beyond transportation, the SL25 creates a self-contained luxury habitat that transforms every journey into a first-class experience. With uncompromising attention to detail and forward-thinking design, it establishes a new benchmark for what a motorhome can be, a true residence in motion that delivers sophistication without limits. The SLRV Commander 8x8 two-story stands as the world's most capable luxury expedition vehicle, built to dominate extreme terrain while delivering 5-star comfort. Its unstoppable 8x8 drivetrain powers through impossible landscapes, while the innovative two-story design maximizes living space. The ground floor houses a complete mobile residence with professional-grade kitchen, dining area, and bathroom facilities. Upstairs, a lavish master suite provides breathtaking 360-degree vistas. Engineered for indefinite off-grid living, it incorporates massive solar arrays, industrial-grade water systems, and massive power reserves. This isn't just an RV. It's a self-sufficient mobile command center that transforms the most remote corners of the planet into your personal luxury destination, combining military-grade capability with palatial comfort for the ultimate adventure machine. The Renegade RV 2024 XL Super C sets a new standard for luxury motorhomes, merging robust performance with lavish comfort. Its Super C foundation provides exceptional road manners and off-road readiness, wrapped in a fuel-efficient, eye-catching exterior. The interior showcases refined craftsmanship with a gourmet kitchen, elegant bathroom, and spacious master bedroom featuring a king bed. Advanced smart systems put lighting, temperature, and entertainment at your fingertips. Engineered for long-haul adventures, it combines self-sufficient off-grid features with premium amenities that transform travel into a first-class experience. For discerning explorers who demand both capability and sophistication, this motorhome delivers uncompromising quality, making every mile as comfortable as home while conquering any terrain with confidence. Armadillo's Doomsday Ship revolutionizes survival vehicles with its unmatched, apocalypse-ready design. This armored fortress on wheels boasts a bomb-proof exterior, military-grade components, and a hyper-capable drivetrain to outlast any disaster. Inside, premium materials create a surprisingly luxurious sanctuary featuring advanced life support systems, including hospital-grade air filtration and water purification. The vehicle's self-sustaining ecosystem includes massive solar arrays, satellite communications, and enough storage for extended isolation. Whether facing nuclear fallout, viral outbreaks, or societal collapse, its redundant systems and intelligent engineering guarantee protection and comfort. More than just transportation, this mobile stronghold delivers peace of mind with bulletproof construction, EMP shielding, and climate-controlled living spaces, making it the ultimate insurance policy for doomsday preppers who refuse to compromise on safety or luxury. The 2024 Neumar King Air sets the gold standard for luxury motorhomes, combining exceptional engineering with lavish comfort. This rolling palace features a robust powertrain for effortless travel alongside an interior that rivals high-end residences. The thoughtfully designed space includes a chef's kitchen with premium appliances, a spacious master suite with king bed, and a spa-inspired bathroom complete with walk-in shower and dual sinks. Cutting-edge technology enhances the experience with smart climate control, premium entertainment systems, and intuitive lighting throughout. Clever storage solutions maintain an uncluttered environment, while high-end finishes create an atmosphere of refined elegance. Whether for full-time living or extended adventures, the King Air delivers uncompromising quality, transforming every trip into a first-class experience where every detail reflects superior craftsmanship and thoughtful design. The Tesla semi-motorhome pioneers a new era of eco-friendly travel by converting Tesla's electric semi-truck into a premium, zero-emission mobile home. Harnessing Tesla's groundbreaking battery technology, this innovative RV delivers exceptional range and power while maintaining complete sustainability. The streamlined exterior conceals a surprisingly roomy interior outfitted with all the essentials: a functional kitchen, contemporary bathroom, and cozy sleeping quarters. Advanced smart systems put lighting, temperature, and entertainment at your fingertips through intuitive controls. This groundbreaking vehicle demonstrates that environmental consciousness doesn't require sacrificing comfort or performance. Merging Tesla's engineering excellence with luxurious living spaces to create the ultimate green adventure machine. The semi-motorhome represents a bold step forward in sustainable exploration, where clean energy meets sophisticated mobile living without compromise. The Movico Giant XL revolutionizes mobile event production with its massive expandable structure that converts into a premium venue. This innovative mobile space delivers ultimate flexibility for corporate events, exhibitions, and marketing activations with fully customizable interiors featuring advanced lighting, sound, and climate systems. The eye-catching exterior serves as a dynamic branding canvas, while the high-tech interior creates memorable experiences at any location. Capable of hosting large-scale productions or intimate gatherings, it provides professional-grade infrastructure with quick setup times. From trade shows to pop-up retail, the Giant XL's combination of striking visual impact and functional versatility makes it the ultimate solution for brands wanting to make a statement anywhere. This next-generation mobile venue sets new benchmarks for portable event spaces that engage audiences with turnkey convenience and wow factor appeal. The Crawler's EZ458 is an unstoppable off-road force engineered for extreme terrain. This technological beast combines brute strength with precision engineering, featuring a high-torque power plant, heavy-duty suspension, and an ultra-strong frame that crushes obstacles. Behind its rugged exterior lies a surprisingly comfortable cockpit with climate-controlled seating and advanced terrain mapping systems. Built to master sand, rocks, and vertical climbs, it transforms punishing landscapes into playgrounds while maintaining confident control. The ZZ458 represents a new class of off-road machine, where industrial-grade capability meets driver-focused comfort, proving you don't need to sacrifice refinement for all-conquering performance. Whether battling desert storms or mountain passes, this relentless crawler delivers white-knuckle thrills with the assurance of cutting-edge engineering and premium interior appointments. The KR Scania motorhome merges industrial-strength truck performance with lavish residential comforts in one extraordinary package. Built upon Scania's proven heavy-duty platform, this mobile residence delivers unstoppable reliability across all terrains while cradling occupants in exceptional luxury. The interior showcases masterful craftsmanship with a professional-grade kitchen, upscale bathroom sanctuary, and tranquil sleeping quarters, all adorned with premium surfaces and smart technology. Integrated automation systems manage lighting, temperature, and multimedia with effortless precision. What truly sets this motorhome apart is its perfect balance of commercial-grade mechanical toughness and five-star hotel refinement, allowing travelers to venture further in complete confidence while enjoying every comfort of home. The KR Scania represents the ultimate convergence of unstoppable capability and sophisticated living spaces, creating a new paradigm for explorers who demand the very best from both worlds.